Hey everybody, Steve here with Printavo, and in this video I'd just like to talk to you quickly about the different options you have to get your Printavo set up, built out, and optimized. Now, option number one is our implementation and training program, where you will work directly with a dedicated implementation manager to get your account optimized and built out for you based on best practices we've seen from hundreds and thousands, really, of shops around the industry, and just spending hours and hours and hours in the program ourselves, and really making sure you have the best statuses in Printavo. You have the best and most efficient automations, right? That your account is set up as fast as possible to help you meet your goals. Now, if you choose to set up on your own, that's totally fine too. We understand that some people just like to build things out on their own. They like to learn on their own. That's fine. So if that's your preference, we do also have this self-service getting started with Printavo guide that we've created for you, and that's going to walk you through the process of setting up. Starting with our introduction, where to start, how to build a quote, shop and production management, how to communicate with your customers, how to grow sales with Printavo and with online stores, and we really get super deep divey, super nitty gritty, as they say. Now, if you choose to start doing this on your own and you find, it's taking more time than you care for, or you've just changed your mind and you'd rather us do it, that's totally fine. Because like I said, the implementation and training program will help you get all of this set up. You can, we'll of course train you, we'll train your staff as well to make sure you're getting the most out of your optimized account. But, while we're doing this heavy lifting, you can keep printing, you can keep making money. So if you do have any questions about implementation and training, or just getting started and setting up your account in general, please don't hesitate to reach out to your dedicated success manager. If you're not sure who that is, please just email us at success, that's SUCCESS @printavo.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.